Hi guys, that's a very quick unboxing and review of the Gerber Splice multi-tool. Be careful because it comes with limited lifetime warranty, contains 8 tools, outboard components, all of them are serialized, so comes with a nice clamshell packaging. So the tool itself comes spring-loaded. Not a lot of oiling as I would have needed. You know, I would expect this to come very well to come completely operational, and it is completely operational. It just needs a little bit of oiling, but you can definitely sense that it needs some oiling. It will become more loose with operation. Those are very good shears, very thick nice shears. If you don't need pliers, but you often open clamshell packaging, that's your tool. All of them are coming serialized, so warranty tracking is just phenomenal from Gerber. The product is very tight, no loose ends here, very tight, very sturdy. Deployment of all the tools is outward. You have a serrated blade that's 1.5 inches. Very sharp, blunt nose serrated blade, not lockable though. You get a plain edge. I like this interesting curve here. It's not meant for prodding or anything, but just for cutting and slicing. About 1.5 inches worth of blade. Serialized too. Yep. Very interesting set of products, like for example for tools, like for example this one, this bottle opener that works also as a flathead screwdriver. In order to be a little bit beefier, they decided to double it up. You get a small flathead screwdriver that is about 2 millimeters wide. You get a small file that's supposed to resemble a Phillips type screwdriver. I'm not sure it does, but basically it is a nice feature to have, a nice way of opening Phillips cat screwdrivers. From what I see, that is quite a lot of functionality here. Basically just and also just the essentials. I mean, you get this this nice piece. The shears themselves are really good. Really like that. One thing that it's missing, unlike on the dime you have tweezers. On this version you don't have tweezers. You have all of this instead. Very peculiarly built product. At the same time you have a lot of tools, but the volume is really minimalistic. That's definitely a keychain tool. You can open packages. You don't have the package opener like you have it on the dime, but it can definitely work really nice and keep a straight edge. You can sharpen that as well very easily. You can use both screwdrivers, bottle opener. I don't know who buys such bottles to open them, but so let's see if we're not missing small flathead screwdriver, file Phillips head, bottle opener, medium flathead screwdriver, scissors, lanyard hole. Where is the lanyard hole? Lanyard hole, serrated blade, fine edge blade. So I believe this is the lanyard hole together with this little ring. Not too many sharp edges. Those could have been taken off with a file just so they are a little bit, you know, they don't protrude as much. Other than that, I have no reservations about this product. Very well made, sturdy tool, very functional to keep on a keychain or something like that. Alright, and that's the Gerber Splice multi-tool. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.